When we look up at the stars, we often feel that the cosmic stars each follow their own path, peaceful and serene. But astronomers tell us this is all a haunting illusion. In that dimension, invisible to our naked eyes, the Milky Way is not a gentle rotating disk, but a fierce predator. It has already devoured at least 6 galaxies. And at this very moment, the remnants of a 7th victim hang from its mouth. The Gaia telescope has gazed lonely into space for 10 years, scanning 3 trillion data points, finally revealing that we have been living inside the digestive tract of a giant monster. Firstly, the Milky Way protects its secrets well. Its central region is densely packed with stars, nebulae, and thick dust clouds. This heavy veil is known in astronomy as the zone of avoidance. Visible light cannot penetrate this fog, leading to a chilling reality. Humans know less about the Milky Way than about the Andromeda galaxy, millions of light years away. Even more problematic is the sense of distance. In space, a faint-looking star could be small, or it could just be very, very far away. This ambiguity means scientists can't even say for sure how many stars are in our own galaxy. Estimates range from 100 billion to 400 billion. An astonishing fourfold margin of error. But the Gaia telescope is different. It holds a golden ruler for measuring the universe, the parallax method. You can experience this principle right now. Hold a finger in front of your eyes and alternate closing your left and right eyes. You'll notice your finger shifts position relative to the background. This is parallax. Your eyes, just 6 centimeters apart, create this shift. Gaia performs this on a super magnified scale. It doesn't use 2 eyes, but rather the Earth's orbit around the Sun, a baseline of 300 million kilometers. It takes a look from one end of the orbit, and then half a year later flies to the other end for another look, equipped with a nearly 1 billion pixel camera. This is currently the most precise eye in space. It observed for a full decade, performing 3 billion measurements, creating a precise 3D map for 2 billion stars in our galaxy. In 2018, Dutch scientists discovered an unsettling phenomenon. Among 7 million tracked stars, 30,000 were moving in the exact opposite direction. It was like a group of vehicles suddenly driving frantically against traffic on a highway. These reverse drivers had more than just unusual directions. They even had different accents. Their spectra revealed chemical compositions incompatible with the Milky Way's residents. Scientists immediately realized they didn't belong here at all. They were the ghosts of foreign galaxies, consumed by our own. Through supercomputer simulations, astronomers reconstructed a violent collision that occurred 11 billion years ago. The unfortunate victim was a dwarf galaxy, roughly 1/4 the mass of the Milky Way. It plunged head-on into our territory. Shattered by the tearing force of gravity, its structure was decimated, and hundreds of millions of stars were captured, becoming part of our galaxy's halo. But this was just the appetizer. As research progressed, scientists were shocked to discover that the Milky Way's appetite was far greater than imagined. By the time the analysis finished in 2022, the conclusion was undeniable. Our Milky Way has swallowed at least 6 other galaxies. Their stars have now fully integrated into our galaxy's bloodstream, becoming the very twinkle in our night sky. If previous acts were archaeological discoveries, then the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy is a live crime scene. This unlucky neighbor is the Milky Way's current 7th main course. Over the past 5 billion years, it has repeatedly smashed into our disk like a bouncing ball. Each passage rips off a chunk, stripping away thousands of stars, forming a long stellar stream entwined around us. This collision didn't just destroy Sagittarius, it changed our destiny. Scientists speculate that 4.6 billion years ago, an impact from Sagittarius might have triggered shockwaves in our gas clouds, igniting the birth of our sun. In other words, if not for this brutal feeding, humanity might not exist at all. One galaxy's demise led to the birth of our solar system. Beyond history, Gaia also tracked over 150,000 asteroids in our neighborhood. By watching the faint wobbles of these rocks, it proved that 352 of them might have their own moons. This discovery doubled the number of known binary asteroid systems. In deep space, Gaia found a hidden black hole, Gaia BH3. Its mass is 33 times that of the Sun, and it's only 2,000 light years away. Most black holes here are just 10 times the Sun's mass, making this discovery a true giant among monsters. It also identified 1.3 million quasars, creating the largest 3D map ever. The most distant one emitted light when the universe was in its infancy, only 1.5 billion years old. A true relic from the beginning of time. This map helps us understand the universe's large-scale structure and provides crucial data for the mystery of dark energy, from overturning our perception of a peaceful universe to revealing the Milky Way's epic history of consumption. Gaia has opened a brand new window to the cosmos. It has shown us that the universe is never static or gentle. It is full of dynamic changes, fierce collisions, and brutal competition. But it is precisely these cruel cosmic events that shape the starry sky we see today and nurtured the very possibility of life. When we look up at the starry sky again, perhaps we'll have a different feeling within that twinkling starlight. Might hide the remnants of ancient galaxies devoured. Those tranquil stars are actually moving at high speeds. Following the relentless laws of the universe, Gaia's observations continue, seeking the meaning of our existence amidst the universe's cruelty and wonder. The starry sky remains tranquil, but beneath that peace lies an unending cosmic epic.